Do you feel like your focus is slipping? You're not alone? In a world of endless distractions, we've all felt the struggle of trying to concentrate. But did you know that this is a silent epidemic killing our focus? And it's happening right under our noses. Act 1. The hook. We begin with a bang, pulling our audience right into the heart of the issue. Visual. A brain scan with areas dimming as notifications flood in. This isn't just distraction. It's actually causing brain damage, but there's hope. In 48 hours, you can reverse it. Now, wouldn't you like to know how? Of course you would. Let's dive in. Act 2. The cure. First, identify the enemy. It's not too much screen time. It's not being tech toxic. Those are just symptoms. The real enemy is something far more insidious. And for that, we go straight to the horse's mouth. A study conducted by MIT found that the real culprit is continuous partial attention. Their research showed that when we multitask between different apps, our brains suffer from something called attention residue. Each app creates a cognitive residue in our brain, making it hard to fully focus on the task at hand. So, how do we defeat this 21st century learning kryptonite? The first step is to pull the plug on your digital sunset. After 8 p.m., all screens are off limits. No doom scrolling, no Netflix binging, no YouTube rabbit holes. Instead, engage in screen-free activities. Read a book, have deep conversations, stargazi. Anything that doesn't involve a screen. Why 8 p.m.? Well, that's when our brain's cortisol levels, which affect our focus and attention, start to drop. It has the perfect time to unwind and let our minds rest from the digital stimulation of the day. But what about during the day? Here's where we enter the next phase of the reset, the boost. To truly retrain our brains, we need to start with the boost, deep work sprints. This technique involves setting aside 90-minute blocks where you immerse yourself in a single task. It could be writing, studying, or even just organizing. The key is to eliminate distractions and just focus. This technique has been popularized by Cal Newport, the author of Deep Work, who argues that this is the best way to train our brains in the age of distraction. But wait, before we move on to the final act, we need a pattern interrupt. Here's a quick question to check if you're still with us. Comment below with the funniest zombie movie quote you can think of. Ready, go! Now back to the show. As you can see, the problem is widespread and the solution is simple, but it requires discipline and consistency. But the question remains, is it worth it? And the answer is a resounding yes. Recovering our focus isn't just about being more productive. It's about reclaiming our lives from the clutches of distraction. It's about being present, engaged, and intentional with our time and attention. Now that we've armed ourselves with the knowledge and tools to reclaim our focus, it's time to escape the rat race. It is time to break free from the shackles of distraction and embrace a life of deeper focus and richer experiences. Are you ready to take the first step towards a more focused, fulfilling life? Remember, turn off one notification today. Your future self will thank you. And if you're on this journey of reclaiming your focus, we'd love to have you along for the ride. Subscribe to our channel for weekly doses of inspiration and practical tips to help you detoxify your mind and reclaim your focus in a noisy world. Don't forget to share this video with a friend so they, too, can join the movement. Together, we can create a world where focus isn't a luxury, it's a way of life. So click that subscribe button and let's embark on this transformative journey together. They say it takes 48 hours to form a new habit. And guess what? You've already made the first move by watching this video. Now go ahead, turn off those notifications and watch what happens. Your brain, your life, your rules. And if you're enjoying these detox series, we've got another one coming next week. It's on how to sleep better. See you then.